I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your email on T-Mobile is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the T-Mobile website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, go to the Profile section, usually found in the top menu. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile section, look for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm it. Make sure there are no typos. Quick gotcha, if you don't see the confirmation email, check your spam folder, it might end up there. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, don't forget to click the Save button to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully changed your email on T-Mobile. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy updating!